If you're experiencing pending transfers on Shopify, it is important to resolve them promptly to ensure your funds are available. Follow these steps to address the issue effectively. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Shopify admin and navigate to the Settings section. Click on Payments and then View Payouts to check the status of your pending transfers. This will help you understand if there are any issues with your account or the transfer itself. Step 2. Review account information. Ensure that all your account information is accurate and up to date. This includes your bank account details, tax information, and business address. Any discrepancies can lead to delays in transfers. Step 3. Verify payment methods. Confirm that the payment method linked to your Shopify account is valid and active. If you are using a bank account, check with your bank to ensure there are no issues on their end that could be causing the delay. Step 4. Contact Shopify support. If the pending transfers persist, reach out to Shopify support for assistance. Provide them with details about your account and the specific transfers in question. They can offer insights and help resolve any underlying issues. Step 5. Monitor future transfers. After resolving the pending transfers, keep an eye on future payouts. Regularly check your transfer status and account information to prevent similar issues from occurring again. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve pending transfers on Shopify and ensure smooth financial operations for your store.